Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox upgrade error problem on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, this issue can happen because of some game files that have been corrupt or any available updates. So for you to fix this, all you have to do is exit the application, and then from here you're going to scroll down until you see the settings, then right here. Once you select it, you're going to search for your apps. And then from here, from the apps section, you're going to then search for Roblox. Once you locate your application, click on it. And then from here, you can have multiple settings below, including permission, storage, and cache. From here, first thing, you're going to click on the storage and cache. And then you're going to clear the storage and then clear the cache from the application. This will reset many of the other settings that have been corrupted. From here, after that, you're going to go to the permissions section and make sure that all the permissions are allowed from camera, contacts, microphone notifications. From here, all you have to do is click on it and then enable all Roblox notifications or any other permission. Once that is done, make sure that all other settings rely as the same. And then from here, you're going to exit the application and then go to the Play Store and make sure that it is fully updated. So if it's not updated, then simply search for it and then click on update and it will update the application. And then from here, once that is done, you should be able to open the game with no problems at all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.